the value of one Vechain coin is equal to 0.3529 rands. The current price range is between 0.3441 and 0.3536 rands, and the previous day's close was 0.3455 rands. The change was plus 0.0074 plus 2.14 backwards rate. ZAR to bet Vechain cost estimates for the next month and not too far away. The price of Vechain is expected to be between 0.35 and 0.37 rands on July 31st. Vechain gauge cost 0.35 rands, high 0.37, low 0.33 on Tuesday, August 1st. Vechain gauge cost 0.35 rands, high 0.37, low 0.33 on Wednesday, August 2nd. Vechain gauge cost 0.35 rands, high 0.37, low 0.33 on Thursday, August 3rd. On Friday, August 4th, the Vechain price forecast was 0.34 rands high, 0.36 rands low, and 0.32 rands. On Monday, August 7th, the Vechain price forecast was 0.34 rands high, 0.36 rands low, and 0.32 rands. The price of Vechain is expected to be between 0.33 and 0.35 rands on Tuesday, August 1st. On August 2nd, the Vechain gauge cost 0.33 rands high and 0.31 rands low. Vechain cost forecast on Thursday, August 3rd, 0.31 rands high 0.33 low 0.29 Vechain gauge on Friday, August 4th, 0.33 rands high 0.35 low 0.31 in about 14 days. Chain cost forecast on Monday, August 7th, 0.33 rands high 0.35 low 0.31 Vechain figure on Tuesday, August 8th, 0.34 rands high 0.36 low 0.32 Vechain cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9th, 0.34 rands high 0.36 low 0.32 Vechain figure on Thursday, August 10th, 0.33 in 3 weeks, the rands went from 0.35 to 0.31. Vechain figure on Monday, August 14th cost 0.34 rands high 0.36 low 0.32 Vechain cost estimate on Tuesday, August 15th cost 0.33 rands high 0.35 low 0.31 on August 16th. The Vechain figure cost 0.32 rands high and 0.30 rands low. On Thursday, August 17th, the expected price of Vechain was 0.31 rands, with a high of 0.33 and a low of 0.29. On Friday, August 18th, the price was 0.31 rands, with a high of 0.33 and a low of 0.29. The price of Vechain is expected to be 0.31 rands on Monday, August 21st. Vechain price prediction for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 is 0.33 rands, with a high of 0.35 and a low of 0.31. Vechain cost estimate for November 2023 is expected to start at 0.30 rams, which is a low price, and go up to 0.31 rams, which is a very high price. The middle number of cost was found to be 0.29 rams. 3.3% Vechain estimate for December 2023 to start at a cost of 0.29 rands, with a high cost of 0.31 and a low cost of 0.27. The average value of cost was found to be 0.29 rands for Vechain, with a change of 0.29 for December. 17.2% of Vechain's estimate for February 2024 is that the cost will start at 0.34. This is a 17.2% change from January. 0% of Vechain's estimate for January 2024 is that the cost will start at 0.29 rams, which is a low price, and 0.36, which is a very high price. Rands had a high price of 0.42 and a low price of 0.34. They met in the middle at a price of 0.37 at the end of the month. 0.39 change for February 14.7 Vechain price prediction for WAC 2024. At the beginning, the price was 0.39 rands. The high price was 0.43, and the low price was 0.37. At the middle of the month, the price was 0.40. 0.40 change for Spring 2.6 Vechain price prediction for April 2024. At the beginning, the price was 0.40. Rands had a high price of 0.44 and a low price of 0.38. When they got to the middle price of 0.41, Vechain made people wonder about the month's 0.41 change for April, which was 2.5%. Vechain price prediction for May 2024 started at 0.41 rams, high price 0.46 and low price 0.40. They came to a price of 0.43 in the middle of the month, which was a drop from 4.9. Vechain price prediction for June 2024 started at 0.43. Rands had a high price of 0.46 and a low price of 0.40. They came to a middle price of 0.43 and guessed that the price of Vechain would change by 0% in June. Vechain price prediction for July 2024 started at 0.43 rands. The highest price was 0.43 rands. And the lowest price was 0.37 rands. The middle price was 0.41 rands, and the change for July was 0.4%. Vechain price prediction for August 2024 started at 0.40 rands. The highest price was 0.49 rands, and the lowest price was 0.40 rands. The middle price was 0.44 rands. And the change for August was 0.46%. Bitcoin price prediction as trading volume drops to $10 billion over the weekend. Is a big move coming? Bitcoin is now worth $29,436, which is a small rise of about 0.5% from Saturday. As the weekend starts, people in the market are wondering if this low trade volume of $10 billion could be a sign of a big change in prices. In other news, the White House predicts that the CPI will go up a lot in 2023 and 2024, and FTX and Genesis will settle their ongoing bankruptcy fight. These changes add to the factors that affect Bitcoin's price, so investors should keep a close eye on the market for chances and risks. The White House thinks that inflation rates will go up in 2023 and 2024. The White House says that CPI inflation will go up in 2023 and 2024. This is making the value of BTC/USD go up today.